Pak ya, ya. Lirik.
Ayo, 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 ayo,
Ballast cleaning of those sections on a lock base, and finally installation of the new track. Traffic must continue.
Ikut lu mesin ayah dia.
Mechanized work methods.
motor slow, slow.
The efficiency of every work depends heavily on the quality of the advanced track. This involves
Seperti itu, swat, swat.
drawing up operation
Iya, benar
schedules
seperti
for
itu.
machines and personnel.
Sudah.
Track contractors and
Oh,
railway
kita
departments.
di kantor ya. Kita ada di sana.
Such as the Austrian Federal Railway's EM250 track recording card.
Aduh.
The start of construction work on the line. In preparation, all the vegetation along the track is cleared. New cable ducts are laid, drainage ditches are dug out, and foundations are prepared for the erection of noise protection walls. The first stage of work is the rehabilitation of the subsoil. Here, the ballast and the old formation material are removed completely. After this, the geotextile is laid with a slight crossbore to optimize the drainage. Finally, the new formation protective layer and the ballast are placed in the track. The AHM 800R formation rehabilitation machine shows its flexibility and high productivity. The machine carries out all work processes, from excavation of the old material and recycling, as well as the perfect installation of the new formation protective layer, including the geotextile. Two excavating chains go into action. The first chain removes the reusable upper layer of ballast. The second chain excavates the remaining material. The reusable ballast is carried away on conveyor belts and taken to the crushing plant for processing. From here the material is taken to the mixer, where it's combined with water and the formation material to produce the sand-gravel mixture for the new formation protective layer. After excavation is completed, the subsoil formation is smooth. Immediately after this, the geotextile is laid and the new formation protective material is placed. To ensure the best possible consolidation, the water content of the mixture is checked and regulated continuously. Large plate consolidators smooth and compact the sand-gravel mixture to the required level. The installation of the new formation is now complete. All requirements for a perfect formation protective layer have been fulfilled, without having to remove the track and with rail services continuing on the adjacent track. On some sections of this line, the ballast is lying on a rock bed. On these sections, ballast cleaning will be carried out instead of formation rehabilitation. When the bearing capacity is reduced and the moisture content is too high, this will have a negative effect, particularly on timber sleepers. These are the fundamental problems caused by a polluted ballast bed. These problems can be solved effectively and cost efficiently by the application of modern ballast cleaning machines. The RM80 ballast cleaning machine used here is a proven machine that has worked reliably for many years. The The excavating chain removes the polluted ballast.
Pindah ke
An
sini.
important factor is the exact balance
Woi,
of the
goblok.
chain with the help of the
Goblok,
cutter bar.
goblok, goblok. Pindah ke sini,
The
goblok.
polluted ballast is taken to the multiple layer screening unit.
Sini.
In many respects, the clean ballast has a higher quality than the new ballast. And it's also
Ayo.
much cheaper.
Sini, sini. Ini kenapa? Nyangkut
The
ya kamu
ballast
ya?
is returned to the track behind the excavating chain. Now we go back to the section of the new formation protected layer.
Goblok, goblok. Sini, sini, semua sini.
Here, the new ballast is being placed.
Sini.
The ballast bed will be constructed in several layers. So the first so-called safety tamping pass is carried out at this stage. This is done primarily to consolidate the lowest layer of ballast.
Iya malah.
On the other hand, it also facilitates the operation of the following machines. A mechanized maintenance train is used for this work. The mechanized maintenance train working here is led by an own 3X tamping express,
Apa
which is
lu?
a continuous action 3-sleeper tamping machine. This is followed by a ballast plough, SSP110SW, to profile the ballast bed. The last machine in the trio, a DGS62N dynamic track stabilizer, compacts the lowest layer of ballast. The third major stage of work is now the renewal of the track components. The old rails and sleepers are removed, new rails and sleepers are laid. The newly delivered rails are laid alongside the track using a special unloading device. Before being unloaded, the new rails are connected provisionally by fish pads. In the next pass, all the rail fastenings are released and picked up by the rotating magnetic drum.
Magnetic drum.
Before the relaying train goes into operation, the old rails are loaded onto wagons and taken away. The third major task in the course of the track rehabilitation, as it is being performed here, is to lay new sleepers and new rails. Track relaying trains of modern design carry out this stage of work like a well-coordinated assembly line.
Oh, sana ya. Tapi sana kan.
As we see here, the machine picks up the new rails laid next to the track.
Hilang dah. Sana jadi.
Then, the old sleepers are removed.
Mana?
Working right behind the crawler track are the excavating chain and the profiling device, which ensure the required lowering of the ballast and an excellent foundation for the sleepers. Now the new rails are positioned on the sleepers. The rear section of the relaying train is already running on the newly laid rails. An important element of the relaying train is the transport logistics for taking away the old sleepers and bringing in the new sleepers. This work is performed here by two gantry units.